Hey guys, welcome to MNMM PTE NAATI YouTube channel. Today I will be covering 3 essays that I feel are one of the most important essays and are getting repeated a lot of times. Now, generating essay ideas is a very common problem that a lot of students face. So let us cover these 3 essays today and see what is the easiest way to generate ideas for any essay that you might encounter in your exam. So let's do them all one by one. So we all know that there are 3 types of essays: problem solution essay, one topic essay, and two topic essay. Now, if you are not sure how to understand or identify whether an essay is a problem solution, one topic, or a two topic, we have put the link of the video in the description below where I have explained the essay topic in detail. There is also a essay template link that's there in the description below, which is the template that we use, and it is definitely a template for a full score. So feel free to use that template because it's extremely easy to follow, and if you watch that video you will understand how to use that template. But today this video is specifically for covering how to generate ideas for these 3 essays. So let's do it one by one. The first one is: the demand for food is increasing worldwide. What are the causes? What measures could the international community take to improve the situation? Now, first things first, I have read the essay title. I have to identify whether it is whichever. Now, I know it is a problem solution essay. If you are not sure why it is the problem solution essay, simple reason: the word causes. If you see the word cause, it's a problem solution essay, okay, straight away. So they have described a problem, which is the demand for food is increasing worldwide. That's a problem. Now they have also asked us to come up with an situation, to come up with an idea that can help improve this scenario. So that would be my solution. Now, whenever there is a problem solution essay, if you open up the template that's there in the description, body 1 is always the problem. You always describe the problem first, and then body 2 is all about discussing the solution. All right. So if you look at the body 2 of problem solution essay, it's down there at the bottom in the template at the last paragraph, because one topic essay and two topic essay have the exact same template throughout the essay. But for problem solution essay, body 2 needs to be a little different. Hence, we have mentioned it at the end of the template. All right. Now, body 1 is all about problem. So the problem is that demand for food is increasing worldwide. Now, if you look at the template, the first line is for body 1 because that's where the idea 1 comes up. At the outset, there are numerous reasons why, and whenever you see the word topic in the bracket, topic means the essay title. I can write any one sentence from the essay title. So over here, I can write down the demand for food is increasing worldwide. That's the easiest title to write down. Can I repeat it again and again in the essay? Absolutely yes, you can do it. Now, but the most important lies in the fact that idea 1, that is the place where I need to write down my idea. So what can I write? Easiest ideas, let's think of it. Why the demand of food has increased? Simple thing that comes to my mind is population has increased. More number of people, more food demand. That's the easiest idea I can think of. Now, a lot of students will think, is it okay to write down easy ideas? What if I think of something more fancy, more technical, very difficult idea? Will I get more marks? No, that's not the case in PTE. Writing simple ideas doesn't mean you get less marks. If your idea is relevant to the topic, you will definitely get your marks. Doesn't matter how easy or how difficult your idea is. So I need not put a lot of pressure on my brain thinking if I come up with something very, very fancy, only then I'll get a good mark. No. So the easiest thing I can think of is increase in population. So how will I fit over here the sentence? But the most important lies in the fact that there has been an increase in the population worldwide. So simple: population increase, demand for food increase. Now next line. For example, in the template it's given in the next line, but originally whenever you type the essay you have to continue in the same line. Okay, So when you write down the first line, which is at the outset, there are numerous reasons why the demand for food is increasing worldwide, but the most important lies in the fact that the population has increased worldwide or all around the world. Full stop. Then continue in the same line. For example, now whenever you have to give example, the easiest way to give example is give some percentage number to whatever idea you have written, just to support your idea. What do I mean is, let's say over here you are saying there has been an increase in the population, hence food demand has increased. What's the best example to write down? Since 2015, there has been 60% increase in the population in developed countries of the world. Now, is this data correct? Absolutely not. Will PT Google and check it, whatever I have written is correct or not? No. If my English is correct, if my grammar is correct, if whatever I have written is in relation or is relevant to the topic, I will get my score. So don't think that your typing or your answers or your examples need to be data proof. They have to be the correct number. That's not the case. PT is not interested to test your general knowledge. That's not what this exam is all about. It is there to test your grammar, to test your English skills, not your general knowledge skills. Okay, so I can write down any country's name, I can give any percentage number, doesn't matter. You can write down, since 2015 there has been 40% increase in the population of Australia, hence the demand for food has increased in Australia. My job is done. So I have written a very simple idea with a very simple example. All right. And similarly, when in body 2, I have to describe the solution for that idea. So what's the solution? Now, whatever solution I give, if you feel this is a very stupid solution or very silly solution, that's fine. You can come up with something very fancy, very good. That there's no problem. If the solution is describing the problem, I mean, if it sounds like a solution to the problem, you're all good. So let's write down a simple solution. People should grow vegetables in their garden. Simple solution. Okay, it's not a very hi-fi solution. Why? Is it impossible to grow vegetables in your garden, in your backyards? No, people are doing it. So that might not solve the problem, but that might help. That might help, because if there is fruits and vegetables in your garden, you can eat it. You don't need to go to market to buy it if you have it. If you don't have it, you have to go out. So I would write it down. If you look at the paragraph of problem solution essay, approaches to deal with topic, again the same line, demand for food is increasing worldwide, are numerous, and the most effective one is that people can grow fruits and vegetables in their backyard, which is not impracticable and unattainable but achievable. See how you can easily fit any solution here? That's why this template is really, really good. For example, now let's give a fake number. For example, demand of food has decreased from 2018 by 20% in Australia because people have started growing fruits and vegetables in their backyard. Is it a correct data? No, absolutely not. It's not a correct data. But is the English correct? Yes. Is it relevant to my problem and my essay title? Yes. I will get my score. So my job is done. So essay is sometimes tricky, but it is, trust me, not the most difficult topic of this exam. So you have to take it seriously, but not too serious that you get scared of generating ideas. Let's go to the next one. Tree planting day is popular worldwide. What are the advantages and disadvantages of it? Give your own experience and examples. Now, what type of essay is this? This is one topic essay. Why? Because there is no problem solution word, so it cannot be a problem solution essay. And there is no comparison between two things over here, so it cannot be a two topic essay. There is only one thing mentioned, and that is tree planting day. That's it. There is nothing mentioned apart from tree planting day. Only one topic is mentioned, so it is a one topic essay. According to me, one topic essay is the easiest essay to write down because you have a template. Body 1, you write down something positive about that topic. Body 2, you write down something negative about that same topic. Now you will think, how can I write down positive and negative about the same topic. I understand. Think of it this way. Every coin has two sides. There is no coin in this world which cannot have two sides. Okay. So every situation has two sides. It might be a plus point for someone. It might be a minus point for someone else. Okay. So no matter what topic you get in one topic essay, you have to write down one positive point in body 1 and one negative point about the same topic in body 2. That way you're covering every angle of that topic and you'll get a very, very good score. Okay. So if you again look at body 1 for this one, what idea can I write? Tree planting day has helped growing a lot of trees around the world, which will reduce the pollution. Simple. My job is done. Example, 60% of pollution in Australia. Let's give an example of Australia. You can write down any country you're living in. 60% pollution of Australia has reduced in last 5 years because of tree planting day being celebrated every year and millions of trees being planted. So you have to obviously keep in mind the word limit. I can go maximum up to 295. That's the safest zone, I would say. And you can just keep in mind about your word limit, because whenever you're typing, you can see the word limit down there. So keeping that word limit in mind, you have to go as long as you can. So keep it short and simple. 60% of pollution in Australia has reduced in past 5 years because of tree planting day. Is it a very technical idea? Is it a very good number or correct number? No. But is it something that describes what the essay title is? Yes, I get my score. Similarly, body 2. Now body 2, because this is one topic essay, you'll use the one that's there in the template, obviously before conclusion. Nevertheless, there remains some drawbacks. So you know that this is a negative point body, which can overwhelm the potential influence of the topic. But the most alarming one lies in the fact that idea 2, which is a negative idea. Okay. Now, what can be negative about tree planting day? It's very hard to think negative about planting trees because it's a very social cause. It's a very good cause. So what negative can I write? I can write down, but the most alarming one in the fact is that people plant the trees and they don't take care of it, because of which the trees die. So this is a negative side of it, that okay, you've planted, that's a good job, but then after that you're not taking care of it, because of which the trees will die. And if they die, the purpose is not solved of planting the tree. So this is what you can write in your negative idea. For example, 40% of trees die because they are not being taken care of while tree planting days or while celebrating tree planting days. See, you have given a number. Now you will think, is it okay to write down percentage numbers for every essay? Yes, why not? Keep it simple, keep it uniform. Don't think different things for different essay. If you get one essay, that's fantastic. If you get more than one essays, you have to use the same template, you have to use the same strategy, same way of writing examples. You will not be getting less marks because you've written the same sort of essay 2 times. Don't worry about it. In PT for sure. Now, let's go to the last essay. Some people believe that the ability to read and write is more important today than in the past. Do you agree or disagree? Support your idea with examples. Now, again, this is a 2-topic essay because they have compared past and present. The word than, THAN, than is used for comparison. Whenever there is comparison between 2 things, you have to write down about both these things. And that's why it's a 2-topic essay, because you have to write down about 2 different topics. Over here, 2 different topic is past and present. Now, when you have 2 different topics, the easiest way to give example is like if you have to write down an essay of comparison between tea or coffee. 2 topics, tea or coffee. Easiest thing is, out of 2, you like one and you do not like the other one. That's the easiest way to understand 2-topic essay. The one that I like, obviously I will write positive about it. So that's my body 1. The one I don't like, I'll write negative about it. I'll write it in body 2. Okay. So that's the easiest way to differentiate between what to write in positive and what to write in negative. Over here, they have mentioned the importance of reading and writing ability in past and present. Let's say I'll write down positive about present. Okay, so what can I write? At the outset, there are numerous reasons why reading writing ability is important. That's my topic. But the most important lies in the fact that today the competition has increased a lot in education field, and hence reading and writing is very important. So I've written a positive point about it. This is a good point, that there is a good competition. I can use my reading writing skills. For example, 70% people are more literate in today's world than past because they have read more and written more. How do you define literacy? By reading and writing. I've just given a percentage number. That's it. And similarly, if I go and write down in the negative paragraph, I'll write down something about past. Nevertheless, there remain some drawbacks which can overwhelm the potential influence of the topic, but the most alarming one lies in the fact that there were not many schools and colleges in the past, hence reading and writing was compromised. See how I have put it in the negative way, that reading writing was compromised in the past because not as many schools or colleges were there as you have today. Now you might disagree with me, which is perfectly fine. Every individual has their own choice, their own views. You write what you think is correct. You can write positive about one and negative about the other one. My job is just to share some idea. This is not that you have to stick to it. Do whatever you like, but try to write down one positive and one negative. That gives you a perfect score in essay. Again, example, if I have to write, 40% people are more educated in Asian countries today than past because of reading and writing more in their schools and colleges. Done. So if you look at it in depth, the generating ideas, the process of generating ideas is not very difficult, is not very time consuming if you keep it simple. Okay, but I'll be sharing more and more videos about essay. Don't worry. If there is anything specific, any essay that you feel you're not able to generate ideas, just put that topic in the comment section below, and I'm more than happy to share the ideas for those essays. You can ask as many questions as you want on our Instagram or on our Facebook Messenger. Just search for MNMM PTE NAATI, and if you are after coaching or you need some one-on-one consultations, just one consultation maybe for help, or just two consultations or a full-fledged coaching, feel free to text us on Facebook Messenger or Instagram, or you can comment here. We are there with the name of MNMM PTE NAATI. I wish you all the luck, practice hard, and bye for now.